welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a very nice song to present for you guys. First time Jesse Wells, I believe, here on this channel, and he performs Peace Like a River. And everything here just breathes old school, and I love that. Back to the 70s, 60s perhaps, how it looks like, how he sings, the title of the song, and just the guitar staying out there in the bush and playing. Yeah, everything is just great. So if you like the song like I do, let's go and learn it together. As you can see, no need for any capo here. I'm gonna play just like Jesse does. So let's go into the chords needed. I believe we have 5 different chords here. So let's start with D first. That goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We also got the E7, and that goes open E, second A, open D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the G, third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And then we have 2 variations of the D still here. We remember had this D. What you're going to do here with the next chord is to just move this index finger from the 2nd fret G string to the 1st fret G string instead. Keep this ring finger and middle finger on the same position from the D. And I think the technical name here will be the D major flat 5 or something like that. So that gives us open D, 1st G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then from that, we're gonna just lift off to get this open G string instead, and that will be a D add 4. So you keep still that ring finger on the 3rd B and mid finger on the 2nd high E. So the full chord gives us open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And there you have the different chords. So D, E7G, and then the D major and the add. That's what you're going to work with. Now, let's start with this intro with the chords and the melody played. So, I'm going to give you the chords first. You're going to play D, then E7, G, and back to D. That is the chord progression. So, both starts and ends with a D. But in between there, we have certain notes to aim for. It goes like this as a whole. Okay, so we can start with the strumming first, so just to have that backbone with us. It is down, 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 up, okay? Down, 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 up, down. A couple rounds. This strumming is played for the verse play, but also for the pre-chorus later on. We're going to come to that, but this is what you're going to play here in the intro. And in between, you're going to play after D. You're going to aim for these notes. So that will be open D, 2nd D, 4th D, and 1st G. These notes takes you to the E7. And then you're gonna play the same notes almost. So that will be open D, 2nd D, 4th D, and now open G. These notes takes you to the G. And after G you played 3 notes, and that will be open A, 2nd A, and open D. And you're back to this final D chord. And how to play the strumming on this specific intro here with the notes included, you have to kind of think that out for yourself. I give you the tools here. The strumming is in the backbone, and then you have the added notes in between the chords, and you just have to carry yourself forward there. So I play like this. When What I know is the last D chord for certain is one full string around only, okay? Because you don't have any notes played afterwards. So D, down, 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 up, down, up. That's the last D you're gonna play. But I believe the first D, I play the first 2 downs, and then the notes, and then comes the E. Same there, 2 notes, 2 downs. And then comes the G. And same there, I believe, the first 2 downs. And then comes the final D with 1 string around. So yeah, you could say the first 2 downs for each and every chord in the strumming pattern before we play the melody. That is the rule. All right, so you're gonna play that and then come into the standard play where it starts to sing the verse play. And now you know that already, actually, because you're gonna follow the same chord progression there: D1, E7-1, G1, and D1 again. It starts all over like that. So again. And then at 41 seconds in, if you look down the road, that's where on the lyrics, that's where the pre-chorus starts. So you're gonna play again the same strumming pattern, now different chords. You're gonna play D, then you're gonna play this D major, flat 5, then the D add 4, and then back to D. You're gonna play the same strumming pattern. It sounds like this. So it's only your index finger that works here on the fretboard. That is the pre-chorus, and then comes the chorus. You're gonna play now the same chord progression as the verse play, the D, E7, G, and D, but now with a different strumming pattern. We have a 2-part strumming now, so it sounds like this. Okay, so the first part's played for D. The first D goes down, 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 up. And then you shift to E7 and play down, up, down, 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 up. And then you play the same principle for next 2 chords. G is played in the same way as the first D. Down, 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 up. And the final D is played in the same way as the E7. Down, up, down, 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 up, like this. So a total around goes like this. So there you have it, guys. Such a beautiful song from Joseph Wells. Peace like a river. Good luck with this one. And if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me here on Gruvgear. Thank you for this time and play tuned.